Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will cover our mock test question part 4 for database management system. In this video, we will provide you question and you have to answer it in 5 seconds. You know about it, the rule. So let's start our question number 26. Which of the following is not true about SQL views? So these are the option. A view can be based on multiple tables. A view stores data permanently. A view simplifies complex queries. A view is a virtual table. So your time starts now. And the answer is a view store data permanently. Now let's go to our question number 27. A relation with only atomic values is always in. So these are the option 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, 1NF. Now let's go to our question number 28. Which operation retrieves specific columns from a relation? So these are the option projection, selection, union, intersection. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, projection. Now let's go to our question number 29. Which SQL constant ensures that a column cannot take null values? So these are the options unique, primary key, not null, foreign key. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, not null. Now let's go to our question number 30. In ER modeling, a weak entity is identified by, so these are the options, its own key attribute, a strong entity's primary key along with its partial key, only foreign key, composite attributes only. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, a strong entity's primary key along with its partial key. Now let's go to our question number 31. Which join returns all tuples from the left relation and matches tuples from the right. So these are the option inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, left outer join. Now let's go to our question number 32. Which of the following is a tuple relational calculus expression? So these are the option T belongs to student and T dot marks greater than 50. Sigma marks greater than 50 student. Pi marks student course. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. T belongs to student and T dot marks greater than 50. Now let's go to our question number 33. Which normal form eliminates redundancy due to transitive dependencies? So these are the option 2NF, 3NF, 4NF, 5NF. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, 3NF. Now let's go to our question number 34. Which SQL aggregate function is used to count tuples? So these are the option total, count, sum, max. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, count. Now let's go to our question number 35. The SQL clause having is used with, so these are the option group by, order by, select, distinct, where. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, group by. Now let's go to our question number 36. A self join in SQL is, so these are the options joining a table with itself, joining two unrelated tables, joining a table with its view, not possible. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, joining a table with itself. Now let's go to our question number 37. Which command is used to modify existing data in SQL? So these are the options insert, update, alter, modify. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, update. Now let's go to our question number 38. Which of the following is a candidate key in a relation? So these are the options any super key, minimal super key, foreign key, null attribute. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, minimal super key. Now let's go to our question number 39. Which decomposition is dependency preserving? So these are the option. All functional dependencies are preserved in decomposed relations. Only partial dependencies are preserved. Only transitive dependencies are preserved. None of these. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. All functional dependencies are preserved in decomposed relations. Now let's go to our question number 40. Which of the following ensures that no two tuples in a relation are identical? So these are the option: unique key, primary key, candidate key, all of these. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, all of these. Now let's go to our question number 41. Which SQL clause is used to sort the result set? So these are the options: sort, order by, arrange, group by. So your time starts now. And the answer is order by. Now let's go to our question number 42. The difference between delete and truncate is, so these are the options: delete removes row permanently, truncate is temporary. Delete can have where clause, truncate removes all rows. Delete is DDL, truncate is DML. Both are identical. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Delete can have where clause, truncate removes all rows. Now let's go to our question number 43. Which of the following operations in relational algebra is denoted by pi? So these are the option: projection, selection, join, union. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, projection. Now let's go to our question number 44. The decomposition of a relational into two smaller relations is always. So these are the option: lossless, dependency preserving, both lossless and dependency preserving, may or may not be lossless. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, may or may not be lossless. Now let's go to our question number 45. A many to many relationship in ER diagram is represented by, so these are the option: oval, diamond, double diamond, rectangle. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, diamond. Now let's go to our question number 46. Which of the following helps in reducing redundancy in a database? So these are the option: denormalization, normalization, decomposition without constraints, functional dependency violation. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, normalization. Now let's go to our question number 47. Which command is used to add a new row in SQL? So these are the options: create, insert, update, append. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, insert. Now let's go to our question number 48. In relational algebra, the union operation requires, so these are the options: same attribute names and domains in both relations, different attribute names, one relation must be a subset of the other, none of these. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, same attribute names and domains in both relations. Now let's go to our question number 49. Which of the following statements about null in SQL is true? So these are the option: null is equal to 0, null represents missing or unknown values, null can be compared directly with equal to operator, null cannot exist in any table. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, null represents missing or unknown values. Now let's go to our question number 50. Which of the following is true about indexing in DBMS? So these are the options: speeds up query processing, always reduces storage size, prevents duplicate entries, is mandatory for every table. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, speeds up query processing. So thank you friends for watching our mock test question part 4 for database management system.